guys, today we're going to be making a smoothie. The ingredients are honey, 3 spoons of yogurt, banana, avocado and 6 strawberries. So first, and water. And first we start with the banana. Make sure you peel off the skin. And we break it in pieces into the tube. Next, we put in the strawberries. And now we put inside the avocado. Be very careful because sometimes avocado is a bit slippery, so I will do it in a spoon so it doesn't fall out. Now we'll put 3 spoons of That's enough. You're going to put lots of honey so it tastes yummy. Now I'm just going to put half of the water in. Need your clothes because on it there's like pointy bits that I can actually hurt me, so you always need to add out for permission to. Now we're just going to flip it over and put this in. I'm putting this part because I kind of didn't do it. Now we have to put the plug in and press the on switch and press. And it so far looks pretty delicious. So when you're blending it, and then stop it so you can see how it and stop it. This looks pretty delicious. Now if you have cups, we're going to put this in so we can try it. It's yummy, guys. It's very easy, so make sure you try it at home. Homemade, delicious. I'm going to give one to my sister now.